Madurai Sungudi or Sungudi Sarees as they are popularly known is very popular in the southern part of India, especially in Tamil Nadu. For those of you who are not from South India, Sungudi is really the Bandhani of South India. This is another tie and dye craft which is practiced in and around the areas of Madurai. Interestingly, the craft actually moved from Gujarat to Tamil Nadu. In the 17th century, some of the Bandhani weavers from Saurashtra migrated from there and moved to Madurai. Obviously, when weavers moved, they carry their craft along with them, and hence came the Madurai Sungudi. The designs have morphed from the traditional Bandhani to suit the local taste. So Madurai Sungudi has a very distinctive look. Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today it's a new launch in Avishya. It's a category which lots of our customers have been asking us for. We are introducing our latest collection of Madurai Sungudi sarees. These sarees are sourced directly from artisans in and around Madurai. There are a lot of Sungudi prints which are available in the market, but these are the traditional tie and dye Sungudis which we have bought exclusively for you. I'm just going to show you a few designs. The first saree I'm going to show you is a very traditional Sungudi. Sungu in Tamil actually means tie, like Bandhan and Bandhani. So these sarees have the traditional tie and dye across the body, and they've also done some wax resistant cross, which is why this is asymmetric pattern. It's almost a brick orange color body with a black border, and this traditional South Indian border with zari lines and floral patterns. Now let's see how the pallu looks. The pallu looks like a fiery ball, like the sun in the evening. There's a large brick orange round surrounded by a sort of halo in white, and then there is the black and the brick orange and white again in the center. It's a statement pallu. Now, most Sungudis, the pallus are statement pallus. The small motifs are used in the body, and the pallus have statement designs, so you can leave them as single pleats or pleat them up. Both will look equally stunning. Now I'm going to show you the second traditional design. This is another traditional saree. It's a half and half saree. The bottom half is a beautiful Rani pink, and the top is an aqua green. Now in the center there's a band where the tie and dye happens, and there are small tie and dye like the dana motifs or the tie dye motifs across the body. This is a very bright, cheerful saree. Now let's look at how the pallu looks. The pallu is like got this 5 dots. It looks, each of these are very different. Now if you come closer, you can see that this is tie and dye, and this is done not with print, because each of the large dots look different. The way the dye has bled looks very different. So it's a very special, unique saree. Like I said, I'm showing you just one color in each of these designs. There are multiple colors. We have a range of colors starting from bright popping colors to very delicate pastels and Sungudi. The next saree which I'm showing you, this is also a very traditional design. If you look at it, this has got tie and dye patterns both in the body and in the border. So it's got like this 7-star kind of formation in the body, and the border has also got tie and dye borders. This type of border is called rettapetta border or 2-line border in Tamil Nadu, and these buttas are called coin buttas. So between the 2 lines of zari, the Sungudi has been used to give it a design. The other speciality is these sarees. I should show you the feel because they are washed and dyed multiple times. They are super soft. They are really easy. I'm just holding them. They're very beautiful and easy to drape. So if you're somebody who wears a saree the whole day, like you're a teacher or a professor or a doctor who needs to wear a saree the whole day, these sarees will be super comfortable for you to wear the whole day. Now let's look at the pallu. It's like 4 large petals. It's a floral pallu with a 4-petal flower. Look at the way the tie and dye has been done. Each petal is a combination of, it's an oval petal with with almost the center of the maroon, and then there's the beige around it. There's a white iris kind of thing. Then there's one more beige and maroon, and then there's a white iris. Very beautiful, very distinctive design. Now all these sarees, what I'm showing you is probably I'm showing one saree in each design. If you want to see the entire collection, and if you're living in Chennai, please come to our store in Chennai. We are located at TTK Road, Alwarpet. We are open all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can come to our store, check out the entire collection and buy online. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere across India or around the world, we ship close to 40 countries around the world. If you're living anywhere in the world, just go to our website, avishya.com, and check for Sungudi sarees. You can see this entire collection online and buy it online. Now, there are some people who tell us you don't want to go to the website and they just want to buy it on WhatsApp. If you want to buy it on WhatsApp, please take a screenshot of the saree and message us at 73057 77291. Our customer service team will help you buy the sarees. So far, I've shown you some very traditional classic designs of Sungudi sarees, but these are artisans and they also move with the times. The next 3 designs I'm going to show you are a little more contemporary variations of the classic Sungudi. This one is a printed saree. It's a beautiful turmeric yellow with an aqua green border. See, the border's got prints. It's got paisley prints. Also, there's a zari border with a row of small paisleys, and then Sungudi across the body. Now, let's see how the pallu looks for this. Yeah, so this is how the pallu looks. It's a stunning pallu. The saree is overall, very bright and popping the color is, and there's a huge round of bright yellow. Inside there's white, and within the white there's again a smaller halo of yellow, and then there's a diamond with a white and green pattern. So it's a very sensational pallu. Again, like I said, all these pallus are like statement pallus, so you can wear them single pleat or you can pleat them up too. Both will look equally good. This one is a slightly different design. This is actually more like a batik rather than the tie and dye is not structured. It's very, very unstructured. It's a beautiful coral orange saree with a dark, almost wine purple border, and it's got zari checks across the body. After the coral orange and the wine purple and the saree has a beautiful shimmer. The pallu again is a sensational pallu. So it's like this wine purple, the zari checks go up to the end, and then there are these stripe bands, the seer pallu as we call them in Tamil, which comes across, and then there's this halo-like form in coral orange, and there's a central band. It looks very beautiful and stunning. For example, this saree when you wear, this is the kind of shimmer it will have. The last saree in this collection, this is a very, very different modern version of Sungudi. Look at this. I'm just going to open out this saree for you. This is like almost a pea purple. It's almost like a jamun color, a Naval color as we call it in Tamil, and it's got patterns across the body. I mean, this almost seems like the night sky, like a painting with some diffusions behind. And then there are these large floral booties, which again have a whole lot of tie and dye. And look at the colors: yellow, pink, orange, and white. The same pattern continues in the borders. The borders have floral patterns in the same color schemes continue. Now let's see how the pallu looks in the saree. Wow, look at the pallu. The pallu's got this large floral motifs. I mean, these look like columns if you look at it. There's a central big band, and then there are dots all around it. And the same band which is there in the border continues in the pallu too. This is like a statement pallu again, and will look stunning when worn. If you like all these sarees, like I said, I'm showing you one saree in each design. We have multiple colors in all of this. If you like these sarees, please visit our store in Chennai or our website avishya.com to buy them. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon. We are coming up with new arrivals every day. Please make sure you don't miss it. Thank you for watching the video.
For another bit of news for you, that we have also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.